I would like to introduce my sisters to a dress today. Middle age, a round key neck V. It's going to go to the waist. And my hand will be my normal hand and I'll put it like this. And this one goes back to the skirt. Or you want to wear loose pants. It's still appropriate. Well, you can be. If I wear a dress, I close it in the box like this, and if you wear pants, you just need a tie. Before and in the back, release. It also creates its own style. And in order to design, we're going to have to do shoulder-to-shoulder measurements, chest neck, waist butt and waist length. Well, everyone's going to have these different measurements. You will measure. So now we're going to start with the design. The first step is to determine the length of the shirt. I'll take the shirt here. Of middle-aged born years ago but, so I took the length of the shirt to be 60. Depending on your height, I will take it. Fit according to the length of the shirt. And then we're going to build a perpendicular line across it. I'll take a shoulder. Shoulder is shoulder. Divided by 2, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. You took a root of 16. Then down to 4. If you take her and divide her by 5, she is equal to 30. Dividing by 5 is equal to 6. And then you're going to lower your chest. Lower chest is chest divided by 5. You add 2. The boobs here are 80. Divide 5 by 2 and you get 18. I took it down to 18. To build a perpendicular line through. Then you're going to divide your chest by 4. You add 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a line of 22. After that, we get across the chest. Then you start at the waist. I also took it from this cross. I took it down by the measure of the lower waist is 35. I built a straight line and then I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 64, 64 divided by 4 plus 2, we get 18. Then lower your ass. Then we'll have the same ass as the ass. Divide 4 plus 1. This one's ass. It's exactly the same length as the shirt. Then we divide the butt by 4 plus 1. I am 21. I took 21. I picked up 3. You'll get the hybrid here. And then this part you're going to put right down here. I pulled back to gas. I split it in half again. And from this shoulder, you're going to step back and you're going to have 3. Take your neck down, it's 8 petrol. I built a square ruler. From point 3 to point 8. And this shirt, it's going to get down to the point. From here, you're down to point 11. From here you back into to petrol. And this shirt is what we wear without sewing Ben. Wear comfortable. So we're going to leave the body like this. When we do that, we will have a part. Splint. To cut the cylinder. You can keep this ancient part for yourself. Then this splint is what we're going to use. Good luck with the body, ladies. Cut up until. Crossing the waist is the year of gasoline. And here I'll push the button. This button is a decorative button. If you cut this part off, you will. The clouds will stand on both sides. The body before me is done. Now we're going to do this for the back body. From here, you'll come up with to petrol. I'm down here for 7 drinks. Not 7 and. Take this chest down for yourself. And this part of your ass is 1. We'll get the back. When you are done, you will start. We make it. Cutting part. If you cut this part, note that I cut it without a seam. So when you do that, it's afternoon. Seam for the body. When we cut on the fabric. Red is the line of the back. Then the back. You guys are done cutting. The body behind it will be smaller than the body before. Of gasoline for the chest. Then you'll have the back here, the back. Multiply for a fabric family. This is how you are a double cloth. We get the back of the shirt. I'm going to adjust the body first. And I will cut. For the circular section. Shoulder width. And we're going to reduce the butt of the front body along the blue line. And you'll get the front and back. Here I see the previous body. Ladies, note that. 2. I'm going to cut this line. I ironed glue so I could float. We will also cut this neck apart. Let's sew it into the neck. And now I'm going to draw the sleeve. Sleeves should measure armpits on the body. I measured the armpits on my body. This is equal to 21. After you have measured it, then we will proceed. I cut the sleeve. I built a perpendicular line. And from here you take down a piece of the chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5. The value is 13. I got 13 down here. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then you'll take the measurement. The front armpit ring is to 1 plus the back armpit ring is 22. Then we're 43. If you divide it by 2, it will be equal to 21 years. I'm going to take the last number as 2.5 this year. I put you in here, you cross the line. I split in 2. And we'll draw the armpit line in our hand. Next, I'll take the last part. Then the sisters split in two. Bucket does not jump 7. This doesn't jump 7 to 1. You will get the sleeve. I'll cut the sleeve. And this cut is also cut without seams. You have to cut the seams. There must be seams on the fabric. And then the next part. When you finish this shirt, open up your arms. Let's cut it down. A gasoline. And cut it down to blue. It's done. Then we'll get a sleeve like this. And on this shirt, it's got a part. Man set. This tape set, you'll get the size. The tape set is equal to 5 gasoline. We'll get the man set. It's a year of gasoline. It will be equal to the other part. Then you sew this man set. Then we'll have a piece. Figure. Like this, you will luck it out, huh? I was lucky. You guys are lucky. Then you turn your face upside down. For example, I am lucky. Then this angle you will also be lucky to be the sharp angle of the arrow. Like this. If you turn it over, you will hide this part of the rope. For example, you broke the part. Mine set up right here. This part of the arrow you're going to put in the back. It's going to hide like this. Then we'll roll up the arm. Let's put the button in here. Then you'll get your hands out. There's the arrow part. It's connected. That's how you're going to sew arrows. And now I'm going to walk you through how we sew this piece of clothing. First, I'll cut off the neck. You ironing glue. And we will. Lucky for the outside neck. I will be lucky in a while. Neck into the body. After you turn her upside down, then you start to stand. This splint you can sew up. This part you leave. I may even be able to resurface. If not, you will cut it. Take it off and we'll sew it. Come on in here and we're going to press the limb. Then we sew this ancient part into the splint and body fit. After that, we put the part. Put the hand. Shoulder part. Front shoulder and back shoulder. Then what part of the sleeve do I put in? You will sew your hands into your body. Your hands are done. Then we're going to turn this body down. We sew the side road. And we fold this arm down. And we're also blessed with ribs. Then we sew the set and sew the part. The arrow is the same as I shared earlier. I'm finally going to make this shirt. And we'll finish it. For the body with the brick, I will share shortly after. Then if you see something that you don't know or understand, then I'll leave a comment below. I'll see what you're wondering about. I'll reply when I see the comments. Thank you Shin Cho and see you all.